Alright, so Scott got this all finalized. And he's continued on with the airlines. I believe he's got most of them out now. Yeah, he does. So I believe tomorrow in the morning, he's going to work on that. And then he's going to work on getting that oil adapter off up there in the front. But this shit's all in. Looks really good. That's exciting.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Sounds
Parking
good.
brake lines need to go in.
He's got to take the hose set off.
Yep. He's got to finish up the air hose. Do all the parking brake lines. Get that done. Then the rear will basically be done. Minus the hard line construction, which I have to do. But we'll get that finished. We might be able to roll this thing outside tomorrow just to swap it out off the lift or something while we wait for a few other things. And a lot of stuff we got to do is from top, and it can't be on the lift. So what's that going for us? Coming along, looking good. That's so much better than where it was when it first showed up. Great improvement.
That back looks really good.
Oh, it's way nice. One nut there. That's about it. Coming along.